What is up, you guys? It's your boy CA Corey back with another video. Let's try going this way today. Can you turn right on red? I can't even see. I can't even see to turn right on red, bro. Can't even see. So can you? Well, if one person does it, then you know it's possible. So let me not wait too long. It's a lot of people. Damn. Damn, if I had my valves open, let's open up the valves real quick. Let's open it up. Let's go in manual mode real quick. Let's get a little loud real quick. I wish I was just in sport just now. That would have been a crazy clip for the video. Take this down a little bit and then turn the other way. Yeah, I'll take it down. Yamato Road. It's not that bad. Damn, this thing goes on far as hell. Literally could probably take the street straight home to my house. Straight from there. What's over here? Some new apartments. They building up apartments everywhere. They plan on literally putting them everywhere, and it's good, but it's gonna get too crowded down here. Everyone I talk to who's been in Florida for a couple years, or 10+ years, they are like, Florida's changed so much, and now that everyone's moving here, it's like prices are going up. Everything's going up, man. Nice Rolls Royce though. It's clean. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Put a fake M badge on there? Why is it an X with an M like that? I hate people who get trucks like this that can't just appreciate the truck that they got. Like, most BMW trucks are fire from factory. Like, even though some of them, you know, obviously the M's are better, right? But when you start getting to this, even though it's cool, like, look, he color matched that to the diffuser. It's still tough, but it's like, come on, bro. Why would you put an X with a, oh my god. Yeah, I'm not a fan. Ooh, look at the Rolls Royce guy right there. That's fire. Rolls Royce. That's tough. My favorite color, blue. That's literally goals right there. To be an old guy that's just chilling with a nice whip. That's real goals right there, man. This guy's all up in our lane right there. Nobody's trying to move. I'm gonna try to do a big pull when I leave here. I'm not gonna drift or anything, but I'm gonna just do a big pull. Let's go after this truck real quick. Let's go. Let's do it. Oh my gosh. This car gets so crazy. This car gets rowdy, man. Uh-oh. I'm hearing a Lambo somewhere. I don't know where he's at. Military Trail. There's always traffic on this strip though. And let me know if anyone's traveling anywhere this year. Let me know some good places to travel to. I feel like a lot of the places that's like trending on TikTok and stuff, that stuff be getting like, it blows up and then everyone goes there and then it's too crowded. So give me some good places to travel to. I'm gonna also, ooh, that's tough. I've seen his page before. I don't know who that is, but I've definitely seen his page before. Frozen White. That's tough. But yeah, I'm gonna film more videos with the top down also. But usually when I have the top down, I like filming on the highways because at least there's like less cops, and even if they see you, they're not really like looking per se. Because trying to do that on these streets with cops that's in traffic, they could easily see like, oh shit, there's something blocking his head. So just to avoid a cop being like, damn, you have something obstructing your view, I just leave it. I like over here though, it's pretty chill for the most part. I'm gonna go under that tunnel also. Why do people do that but then they come out so slow? Like, if you're gonna cut in front of cars, move at some speed. I never understood that. And people here in Florida will see you coming and they'll wait until you get right next to them and then pull out right in front of you. Everybody want that insurance check, bro. It's crazy. There's no sides. Oh, that was an R8 that I heard last time. Remember? Because I was like, what is that sound? And I thought it was a Lambo. It's the R8 outside. Hold on. Should I go chase him? Should we chase him down a little bit? My radar's going off though. I hope there's no cops or nothing. That's just close by. Let's see. I love R8s, man. R8s is literally the most affordable supercar. Because I know they don't consider this a supercar, but R8s are affordable supercars. Because those, like, I don't know, depending on what price you get them. I've seen some used for like 160, 170, 180. But if I get an R8, it gotta be the V10 Plus. I feel like that car is the only car that's really... Ooh, he almost hit that truck. He's really moving that thing, bro. I love R8s, man. Damn. I love R8s. Oh, that's so sick. Oh, I love R8s. I love R8 so much, bro. Ooh. I didn't see the other one too. I didn't see the other one. Sheesh. But yeah, if I really didn't get that, I would definitely get an R8. R8's is so underrated. Like, beautiful cars. Got the V10. Like, and I've heard some that's like custom exhaust and all that. They look crazy. Did he just go through the red light? I don't even think he realized. He just went through the red light. At least we got some content for you guys. Content is content, right? I don't even think he half of these people don't even realize that this is a light right here. Everybody just flying through the light. When is our light turning green? But yeah, R8s are so much fun. Like, I only drove one time, but R8s sound really good, nice and light. But yeah, I don't know. We'll see. That R8 was so clean. How can you not love how can you really hate an R8? It looks good, it's fast, it's light, V10. Let's just get one little baby pull in for you guys. I'll let that truck go. I was actually gonna do a bigger pull, but then I saw that guy waiting, so I'm like, nah, let me just leave it. But yeah, guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Please give this video a big like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.